Not tonight.
Me?
Oh, yeah. That mean we gotta make it? My stress levels are like a 10. You talking to me?
Yeah.
I said, baby, I had told myself, let me get on up out this bed, because I was snoozing, getting a good sleep. Mm-hmm. Did y'all bring me a little bite to eat? Huh?
Are we still hungry as shit?
Oh, not still hungry. I want some ice cream. You know, I'm always down for dessert. You said what? Wait, what she say? Who judging? I feel judging happening. Who is that, BeautybyJess? Hey, leave her. Leave her where she at. Listen. Do they have a turkey club sandwich over there she can pick up for me? Well, look good. You can hear me. I said a turkey BLT. With a bag of sour cream and onion potato chips. And a little cold drink. Yeah, I see how I'm hungry, and this is crazy. Sometimes I need to bring my own snacks. I got some Cheez-Its. Let me give me a Ziploc bag of Cheez-Its, because I feel... That mean we gotta make it? A half box of Mike and Ice I've been snacking on. What? Baby, Mike and Ice is the best snack you can have. What? What is she saying? The original. Can't go wrong. Wingstop from yesterday. I ate that probably 2 hours ago. So now I need a little dessert. This supposed to be in the bag. Oh, that's why I'm supposed to get my tripod. See, I'm glad you called. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. So right now, I am getting ready to head out to my cousin's house because she is throwing a little Halloween festivities for the kiddos. And we are spending the night tonight. And setting up the stuff, the games, and all that stuff tonight. This is a little nippy out, so we don't do one of these on. And I see y'all in the car. Just wait a second, sir. You better not hit my car. I'm trying to figure out how you get in this park and you can't get out. Y'all at the house already?
Yeah.
I would have been there. You had called me. That's what happened.
No.
Yeah.
You was still snoozing if I had time.
Say, hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
You guys put your hand up here like this. What you want to tell the camera?
I know.
You want to tell me your name?
Yeah.
Tell me your name. Say, my name is...
Don't play.
What's your name? Jessica.
No. Look, you know your mom in the back about that. What is your name?
My
What's your name?
What's your name?
me?
Oh, yeah. Turn it off.
Your mama done did she done...
Muffin, what's your name?
Me.
You know your name.
My name is Jessica. What's your name? Round 2.
Wow.
Hi, guys. My name is Jessica. What's your name?
Julia.
Jalea?
Yeah.
And what shirt are you wearing today?
Oh, I wear a baby shark.
Baby Shark? Who is that on your shirt? Jalea?
Who's that?
Bluey.
Blue? You like Bluey?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Jelly
Say toodles noodles.
Doodles.
Yeah, Jazz hate it. Trying to figure out how I just get here and I'm on driving duty. Y'all both not gonna be on the phone. She been laying in the back seat. Can you see her? With the features. Baby, she is really chilling, chillaxing. And she chilling too. This doesn't make no sense. I just got here, right? And then y'all just see me in the driver's seat 5 minutes ago.
Yeah,
We back.
Too.
It's your turn.
I'll drive back.
Not tonight. Not tonight. Now we can do it in the daytime. We are at Jules Osco. We should have painted pumpkins. You want to carve a pumpkin? She could carve a pumpkin. You want to carve a pumpkin, Jess?
You ain't hear what she said?
What she say? What she say?
You gonna need a new.
Oh, I didn't hear that part. See, this is how they get the parents. They put in, you could very well get this bad. They put this little carrots on there, make you want to get it. They probably delicious. You give them a little dip. Corn. A little ghost. What, this supposed to be a spider? Yeah. You get scared of that one. What is that?
What is that?
They go so $5.99 pumpkins. And they got what's the same thing that's in there, but it's smaller packages. These look better. Like the orange is brighter, but they got some with that orange and purple too. With the pumpkin and the ghost.
Should I take it?
I don't know what to do, y'all. Should I get caramel or real velvet? Any, many, mighty, mo. Catch a tiger bass, so if you hard to let him go. Any, many, mighty, mo. Will you make yourself pick the one you really wanted? Look at that, y'all. Give me a little vanilla ice cream, and we're gonna be good. I got my little snack for the night. Snack for the night. Excuse me. Chad, just get them. Look, it's a sale. Must buy. It's a must buy. Don't even read the rest. It's a must buy. They want you to buy it.
Multiple of two.
No, just must buy. Just stay focused on that part. We gotta try that. We ain't tried these. Go ahead and get it, baby Jai. You wanna get registered?
I said you haven't had it.
Mm-mm.
I mean, you might as well go for the
Might as
sale, right?
well, Craig, man.
Original what we already had.
Mm-hmm.
And then
So-
some new.
Okay, old and new. I feel you. To bring back the jalapeno Tostitos, them used to be so good. But now I get these because they don't never have them no more. It's this brand. They're pretty good.
Eat tortilla chips.
I like chips.
No, you eat tortilla chips.
I like chip and dip. Anything. Well, now that you put it, yeah, because I like Doritos. I like Tostitos. I feel like you're judging. Judging's happening.
I just noticed that, like, you always talking about some tortilla chips. I don't never hear you say nothing else but nothing else. I mean, I can't talk.
They stressing me out, y'all.
Nothing, baby, nothing.
Not the baby, nothing. It's my kind of bubbly right here. You see me? You see they got rosé, pear cider. You said what? That's not a kid owl. It's not a kitty owl. We got pear, sparkling blush, apple grape. That's probably good. The apple cranberry probably all right. What is back there, y'all? Sparkling cider? No, we don't need them. They actually sell this brand in Dollar Tree. They do. So you don't wanna? It's not kitty. It's a beverage.
They sell it at $1.
What? They sell pops and stuff too. They gotta sell.
They sell real alcohol here,
This is not even alcohol owl.
but they sell it here.
My stress levels are like a 10. Oh, we gotta be on the I-10 by 10. Let's go. Don't forget the cheese balls. What movie was that? Think fast.
Family Just Factor.
What? Uncle Earl. Wind it up. Wind it up. Wind it up. Wind it up. Oh, what you do, Jeff? He was in there getting it. Dum, dum, Uh-huh. Marco.
Marco!
Why she not answering us? Where'd she go for real?
I don't know.
I'm trying to figure out how she disappeared that fast. We was just all in the same aisle. He all the way down here.
Because I know you heard us calling you.
You ain't hear us yelling Marco? You supposed to say Polo, so we know where you at. We gotta guess the total. How much you think it's gonna be, Jeff? Yeah. How much?
About 80.
80? What you think the total gonna be?
99.
Too much.
200. Too much. I'm gonna guess
349.
105. 80, 105. You gotta pick a number.
120.
That's something. That was gonna be 100. Where do ghosts go shopping? You gotta take a guess.
The booth store.
Okay, at a boutique. That was good.
Your total is 118.71, and your savings is
She said 120.
18.90. Please select your payment.
What you say?
104.
No, you did.
I did say 104. You said 80. I said no 105. You said 120. She
So
didn't
which
give us
one
that.
is it? Is it 104 or is it 118?
104 after all the.
Whoop whoop.
Please wait. System processing.
Look at me. The total was 104 something. I said
Please remove
105.
all items from the scanner scale.
I feel a little lucky. We're gonna spend $1. We get holiday cash. It was $7.11.21. You had $2?
I want $2 on the trash out like a long time ago. That dollar ain't real.
Hey, hold on. It better be. Hey. It better go in. Come on. Taking all day. This not even the same color. I thought it was gonna be red. It's this. It say holiday cash still. We'll see when we get in the car. It's summertime shop back there, baby. Baby, summertime shop back there, baby. Legs out. Thighs out. Baby, you can see our breath now. Can you see in the camera? Talk about all your breath just hot. Be up on the back seat. The bags. Not in this car. Talk about the body. Wait. You can see it now. Yeah. Do yours. Why you talking about mine? You want a penny? Give me my penny back. A penny? You want a nickel or that? What you want?
A little penny.
Okay, guys. I got the holiday cash. Let's see. It's feeling lucky. What does they do? Match 3 like amounts with the amount. Maybe I ain't winning not nothing. I thought I felt a little lucky. That's 21. 16. Dang, that's 20. Then you would have had $50. 2, 4, 6.
I could have had
$3,000. That's 2, 4, 6. Then she had 5. She was close. Baby, we gonna cash this in tonight. She put hers in her purse. That means she won something. What you get,
They
Titi?
ain't win nothing. They ain't win nothing. They ain't win a damn thing.
Not nothing? Dang, we spent $5 in this place. How much did it? $4? Nothing. Baby, the season is sitting right on top. You hear me? Baby.
Okay.
It's just like how the sour cream and onion ones. Like, it's there. They ain't skip on the seasoning at all. Tonight, share. What she say? A chicken salad. It's a flavorful, snackable, delicious toasted chips with the satisfying crunch. We definitely did the things, huh? What'd you give it? Rate it out of 10.
A 10.
A 10. Out of 10. I came out. I see.